Titan, Saturn's largest moon, holds more hydrocarbons than all of Earth's known reserves. Its vast methane seas and thick atmosphere presented unique opportunities for colonization. And the first colonists developed revolutionary cryogenic technology to harness Titan's liquid methane seas, creating the foundation for a new kind of industrial civilization. As technology advanced, vast methane harvesting operations transformed Titan's seas into the solar system's largest fuel production center. Pioneering underwater technologies allowed colonists to tap into Titan's deeper hydrocarbon reserves, establishing permanent subsurface operations. Cold-adapted colonies grew around the industrial centers, developing unique technologies to thrive in Titan's extreme environment. Orbital facilities transformed raw methane into various fuel products, making Titan the primary refueling stop for ships throughout the outer solar system. Beyond fuel, Titan's abundant hydrocarbons and nitrogen atmosphere became the foundation for a thriving chemical manufacturing industry. Constant innovation drove the development of new cryogenic technologies and materials, revolutionizing cold environment engineering throughout the solar system. The colonies developed efficient methods to generate power from processed methane, creating a self-sustaining energy economy. Titan evolved into a crucial industrial hub, its methane-based economy becoming the backbone of outer solar system development and expansion.